Hello, welcome to the new episode of Know Your Stakecut dashboard. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the one feature that a lot of affiliates and a lot of stakecutters do not know how to use or do not know how to interpret. And that feature is the pending payment feature. Now, most of the time, people wonder, why is it that my dashboard is showing pending payment status? Now I'm going to show you exactly why it is that is happening like this. Now, to show you, I'll have to go to the marketplace. When I click on the marketplace, and then I'm going to find one product, I'm going to search for Pocket Money or any product that you actually want to use to do this. I just want to search Pocket Money because I want you to know about this amazing product that we have on Stakecut that is converting really well. All right, good. So when you click on promote, all right, I'm just going to go straight to the product page. But if you're a stakecutter or an affiliate, the first thing you need to do is actually copy your affiliate link. But however, since I just want to do this for showing you how the dashboard works, I'm going to click on the product page. And when we click on the product page, the product is taking a little time to pop up. Okay, now it's up. Whenever a prospect or somebody wants to buy the product you're promoting, they will come on this page and they will click on buy now. Okay, now there are two steps to actually making a purchase. The first one is they have to fill this form. Okay, so I'm going to fill this form. I'm going to put in this name here, and then I'm going to put in this number. Okay, all right, and I'm going to put in a random email address. Okay, all right, so the moment somebody fills this form and clicks on next, okay, Stakecut automatically registers that person's detail under pending payment status. All right, now they have to click here to actually pay, and then when they complete the payment, the status is going to change from pending to successful. Now we're going to go back to the dashboard so you see that what we already filled up now is going to show right in our dashboard as pending. Okay, so right here it is showing here, right here, Pocket Money. You see the name that I put in, the number, and then this payment status is pending, and it's showing pending here because I've not actually clicked here and I've not put in my card details and I've not bought. So the moment that I buy, this red thing here changes to success, it becomes green. So the reason why we put in this feature is so that you can follow up, because some people fill the form but then don't go ahead to actually make the purchase. So what you have to do when you see something like this is to come here, pick their email address, pick their phone number. You can either send them an email address asking them why they didn't buy or following up, or you can just call them on the phone asking them the same questions. Now this only shows on the affiliate dashboard, and the reason why we did that way is so that the vendors would not take your leads. So when you are collecting your leads, you're the only person who would have access to seeing every single person that tried to buy through your affiliate link. And right here is where you collect their details to call them and follow up on them. The moment they make a purchase, or the moment they actually put in their card details and buy, this pending here will change to success. All right, so see you in the next episode of Know Your Stakecut dashboard. With this, you now know exactly how to follow up your leads using the pending payment status feature. Yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye.